Hi, welcome to Future Technos. The Nikon Z90 also takes storage seriously. With dual card slots, one for CF Express Type B and one for SD UHS 2, you get speed and flexibility. Professionals who shoot bursts of raw photos will love the blazing right speeds of CF Express, while casual shooters can still rely on the convenience of SD cards. This dual system means you're covered in every situation, whether you're capturing thousands of images at a wedding or recording long video sessions in the field. It also gives peace of mind through redundancy, so if one card fails, your work stays safe on the other. Battery life has also been improved. Nikon has designed the Z90 to handle long shooting days without slowing down. On a single charge, you can capture hundreds of photos or record hours of footage. For creators who travel, this is a major advantage. You can rely on your camera even in remote places without constantly worrying about running out of power. And if you do need extra juice, the camera supports USB-C charging, which makes it easier to top up on the go, even with a power bank. One of the standout aspects of the Z90 is its speed. Photographers often talk about how speed is everything, and Nikon has taken that to heart. The Z90 can shoot at an impressive burst rate, allowing you to capture up to 20 frames per second in full resolution RAW. This kind of speed is perfect for sports, wildlife, or any moment where timing is everything. And thanks to the advanced buffer, you can keep shooting without fear of the camera freezing up. Every shot flows smoothly. Every click keeps up with your vision. The autofocus system goes even deeper than what most cameras offer. The Z90 doesn't just track human eyes. It also recognizes animals, birds, and even vehicles. This makes it incredibly versatile for all kinds of shooting. Imagine photographing a bird in flight or tracking a car on a racetrack. The camera adapts instantly and keeps focus locked. The intelligence of the AF system means you can concentrate on composition, while the camera handles the technical side of keeping everything sharp. Another exciting feature is low-light performance. The larger sensor, combined with Nikon's processing engine, allows the Z90 to shoot in dim environments without sacrificing quality. High ISO shots look cleaner, with less noise and more usable detail. This makes it an excellent tool for night photography, concerts, or indoor events where lighting is less than ideal. You get confidence knowing that no matter the time of day, the Z90 can deliver. For videographers, Nikon has pushed things further with support for 6K video recording. This higher resolution not only future-proofs your content, but also gives flexibility in editing. You can crop, reframe, or stabilize footage without losing detail. Pair this with 4K slow motion at 120 frames per second, and you get cinematic versatility right in your hands. The footage looks crisp, colorful, and professional, ready to stand out on any platform. Sound recording is also well thought out. The Z90 includes high-quality built-in microphones, but for creators who demand more, there are dedicated ports for external mics and headphones. This means you can monitor audio in real time and ensure your content sounds as good as it looks. For vloggers, filmmakers, or documentary shooters, this is a critical feature. Audio often makes or breaks a video, and Nikon has clearly made sure that creators have the tools to capture it right. The menu system is designed to be intuitive. Nikon cameras are known for their user-friendly interfaces, and the Z90 continues this tradition. Options are laid out clearly, with quick access to commonly used settings. Customizable buttons let you shape the camera to your workflow, so you spend less time digging through menus and more time shooting. Even beginners will find it easy to navigate, while professionals will appreciate the depth of control available. Another thing worth mentioning is the stabilization. The Z90 includes in-body image stabilization, or IBIS, which works across 5 axes. This reduces shake and keeps both photos and videos stable, even when shooting handheld. When paired with lenses that have optical stabilization, the results are even more powerful. This makes it possible to shoot sharp images in low light, or record smooth handheld video without the need for bulky gimbals. It's a feature that expands creative possibilities while keeping your setup light and simple. I'll pause here. This is the extended continuation of the script after your intro, keeping everything in natural English, simple sentences, and smooth flow.